What's up guys, thank you for watching another video. Starting the day off here at 412, and today is the day that we finally start wrapping the E46. Alright, we got the homie already getting to work on it. You already cleaned it up?
Yeah.
Man, I'm gonna leave all his links down below. He came to the shop to wrap the car, which is freaking awesome. Cause now we can film the whole process. Okay, I didn't know how to reveal the color to you guys. I wanted to reveal it when it was all done, but then I wouldn't have any content to film while we're wrapping it because I would have to wait to post that footage till later. But so anyways, I think I'm just gonna reveal the wrap to you guys now. The majority of you guys actually guessed the right color, which is pretty crazy. Bro, I don't know if people are gonna be mad or happy that I'm doing this color.
You know, I'm expecting
I know, I think a lot of people expected this, but here is the color that we went with, guys. Wow, what a surprise. It's the same red that's on my E92 M3. Same exact red. This is probably the sickest color red, I think, that's on like the market. It's freaking sick. I can't wait. That's my favorite color. That's my favorite red I've ever seen on vinyl wrap. So we had to do it on the E46. E46 in red just looks so freaking good. So we got red. We got little red, little accents. It's gonna be sick. I can't wait. Right now I think he's already gonna get started on the door. And like I said in the last video, I don't know if I'm gonna leave it all red or if we should do like a livery on it. I wish I could show you Sam's car, but Sam's car unfortunately has like no body panels on it right now. Well, here's his little old fenders, but he did like yellow for the base coat, and then he added like black and silver and cool little stickers and stuff like that. So if you guys think we should do that on top of the red, let me know. Or should we just keep it all red? And what do you guys think about the color that we're doing? Are you guys glad we're doing red, or should we have done a different color? Ooh! It's starting, bro. I'm so glad we're wrapping it because everything's mismatched and different colors, as you guys can tell. And the paint isn't the best. So once we put the wrap on, it's gonna look like a brand new like paint job. So tomorrow I might bring the M3 because I didn't bring it today, unfortunately. But tomorrow I'm gonna bring the M3 so we can see them side by side. Look at this, guys. The whole door is done. That was quick, bro. I don't even know how long, but it was really quick. What's next? What are you gonna do next? The fender? Is that shit hard or no?
No, I just gotta take this and this off and then I'm ready to go.
That's crazy.
I mean, you already have the bumper off, headlights off.
I know the car is pretty much disassembled already. No windows, nothing.
No fucking windows, no trim. Oh, you know, like,
It's literally nothing in here.
yeah, no trim, nothing. Just
When that goes back on?
nice on.
I love it. It sucks that the red doesn't pick up on camera, bro, how it really is. Shit looks orange in camera.
All these trucks.
It's been some time and the homie's been grinding non-stop. Bro, we actually got a lot done, huh? You actually got a lot done. I don't want to say we.
Yeah. This and then side skirt and then we're on.
In one day, bro. I didn't even think that was possible. It looks sick. Now you can actually see like against the wheel. That's also why I did the red caps. There's a little hint, bro. It honestly makes the cage stand out a lot more. The white cage. Alright guys, day 2 of the wrap. As you guys saw yesterday, this whole side is pretty much almost done. Today, we're gonna try to bang out this whole side, just like yesterday. Guys, look at this. This is some of the new red that we're using on the E46. I want to compare it to the E92 red because it is the same material, except the E92 has been on here for over a year. Over a year in the sun, it fades, it scratches, and all kinds of stuff. So I'm curious to see if it actually faded. I feel like it did fade, guys. This red is so much more like darker, I think. I don't know. And so much more shinier and clean. Look at all these swirls. The E92 wrap is pretty messed up. I've had it for a long time. Definitely does look a lot more glossier and just more cleaner. Same exact red, guys. I can't wait to see both the cars next to each other when they're all complete. Look at this though. Woo! That's hard. They're badass, I'm not gonna lie. All black like that, and that's paint. That's not even wrap. Matte black paint. Satin black. Again, guys, if you guys are looking for any wraps, anything for any car, this homie can do it. I definitely recommend him. Put his Instagram right here. Is Sick Wraps. Sick ass wraps. Sick ass food. All right. Now the whole right side is done, finally. Bro, this dude is killing it. This is a matter of less than 2 days and his car is almost complete. And look how freaking perfect everything is. Bro, you're making the car too nice. It's a drift car. Oh my God, Sam almost ran me over. I told him it's a drift car, bro. You don't have to do it too perfect, but look at this. Literally, the detail is perfect. The edges are literally perfect. This shit looks like paint. Look what I'm bringing out today, guys. Oh my God, I miss this car. It looks so freaking good. And it's probably been a long time since you guys seen this car on the channel. By the way, I drove it yesterday and unfortunately I broke another lip. I don't even know what number I'm on, guys. I've broke so many lips, I can't even count anymore. This might be number 7, I don't know. And these lips are not cheap, you guys know that. Man, that shit broke pretty bad. That sucks. Probably gonna just rock it like that until it actually breaks in half, but I know a lot of you guys missed this car. That was only 2,000 RPM. I can't lie, I think this might be the better sounding car out of the GTR in this. But what's up, guys? It is now day 3 of the car wrap for the E46. And the car is about 80% done. Today I think we're gonna take a little break. The homie's been killing it like literally non-stop for the past 2 days. It's really crazy, and it hasn't even been 2 days. Maybe 4 hours yesterday, maybe 4 hours the day before that. So 8 hours total, and he's like 90% done with the car. He literally could have done my car in 1 whole day if he wanted to. Again, if you guys need any wrap jobs or anything wrapped, I definitely recommend him. He's probably gonna end up wrapping all my cars from now on. I've seen on his Instagram, he takes his time. If he doesn't do it right, he'll redo that whole panel. But I told him it's just a drift car. Don't stress yourself out, just wrap it. Like, you don't even need to do it that good. But as you guys saw, he tucked all the edges. He made sure he went deep so like it looked like a paint job. I'm excited. It's probably too nice to be a drift car now, but we'll see. But we're on our way back to the shop. I wanted to take the M3 out today and show you guys me driving it. I know you guys missed it. I know you guys haven't seen M3 content in a while, so here's some M3 content. Bro, I forgot how loud this freaking car is. Alright guys, we made it to the shop. Like I said, this is day 3. Pretty much day 2 on the wrap, but day 3. The homie's taking a break, like I said, but this is how far we've gotten. It looks like the car's done, but we still need to do the hood. We need to do the front bumper, the roof, the trunk, and the rear bumper. I test fitted the window and the car automatically looks better. So these are plexiglass windows by Condor. These are the same windows that Sam runs on his E30. Where's his E30? Very lightweight. Should look something like that once we get it mounted up and riveted in. Oh my freaking God, bro. I don't know if you guys remember this thing. You guys saw he kind of hit something at the burn yard, at the Hoonigan thing. But it's all fixed. They fixed everything. I forgot how crazy this shit is.
Sounds loud?
I think bro.
What?
You gotta hear from outside. Check out the front. They had to like redo something in the front, but
If you put these on.
they put a lip on, bro. That's crazy.
These right here, you see them on?
I would break that shit. Damn. I think these go right here.
You can just lay them right there and see how crazy that shit looks already.
Bro, it's gonna hit the floor. I think he's gonna rewrap the whole thing. A whole new color. Whole new livery. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video right there. This is gonna end part 1 of the vinyl wrap for the E46. I'm back home now, but tomorrow or the next video whenever I post it, it's gonna be like the whole car complete. So like the completed car, the rest of the progress, and whatever else is next. I think tomorrow, I want to put those windows on that I was showing you guys. I'm gonna try to get tires mounted to my front wheels finally. But anyways, that is the color we chose for the E46. Hopefully you guys like it. If you guys don't, let me know what other color I should have done. I don't know. Smash the like button, subscribe to your boy if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is